Next.
3:30.
3:30.
Yes.
Good job. That's easy peasy, right?
Yes.
Next.
2:00.
I see. Yeah, you're correct. You're getting good at that, Jay.
Yes, because I know the clock.
Who teach you how to read the clock?
Teacher,
Mm,
next time I'm going to bring my clock again.
okay.
10:15.
10:15. Okay, good job.
Yeah, you see the long hand is pointing at 3.
So,
So it's 10:15.
okay, good job. What's the next one? The
What is-
short hand is
Pointing in the middle of 7 and 8.
so.
So it's 30, 7:30.
Okay,